lawnmower number 2. Now mind you do have to prime this one, and I can hear it priming. Self-propel works also. Another easy fix and flip. I'll probably post this one for clean it up, $120. Probably post this one for, I don't know, 100. Between the both of them, the new cable, the carburetor, air filter. I'll put the spark plug off camera and change the oil. No need to see all that. But yeah. And then I'll get back on these. I have an engine. Oh shoot, just come take a walk with me. Come take a walk with me, people. I just drug that out of my shed, fixed that for a coworker. He ain't came picked it up. Hang out with old JB for a minute. Just picked this sweet 2002 CRF 450 up, 450R. $200. Boy, does it got some goodies on it. Pro Action front suspension. It's got Pro Action rear shock set up with the dampener and the lower. It's got a connection works skid plate on it. That's cool. It's got Renthal bars, semi new Renthal sprocket, 52 tooth, new brake pads, tires are dry rotted, needs a top end rebuild. I'll bring this on the channel next couple videos here, so I'll go through it. Popped a couple valves. Ouch. Ooh. You know, when you see things like that, you don't know the true story of what people say is wrong or how it happened or things like that. You take their word for it. But hey, it's got a sweet FMF exhaust. I got the seat in the rear. Exhaust, all that. I'm gonna drag out some more things. I got this Craftsman pressure washer I'm gonna drag out and throw a new carburetor on it and fix a few little things. This is my Craftsman I picked up last year. $200. Man, it ain't easy being me. Facebook Marketplace, when and where and how. Just gotta have the cash. Everything from Facebook. $30 Husqvarna backpack blower, BT 350. My brother gave me that steel. Bought it from some guys, throwing it in the scrap pile, 20 bucks. Pole saw works. Another Facebook, $15 Husqvarna curve shaft, weed eater. Sold all my chainsaws that was in there. Only kept my old school Craftsman 16-inch. Like I said, I found me another lawnmower, that one I just fixed. There goes a newer one. TB200. It fires right up. I don't need to do nothing to it after it's been sitting forever. I got the Cutlass is gone. Monday, February 15th at 4 o'clock. This will be gone out of here. Adios, amigos. The last of the dying breed, 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass. And then we'll come back to working on these. I got some tires ordered for those. Stuff like that. I don't got a mic. I need to get a mic where y'all can hear me better. You're just hearing it through this GoPro 12. I got the batteries ordered for the GoPro 360 when it comes. I just ordered, my son lost my dipstick that was in there. I'll bring this bad boy out on the channel. My brother potentially wants to buy this from me too. It's been sitting. 01 Raptor. Yamaha Raptor 660, baby. And then back to the Polaris 90. That's the only thing I've got of my kids left. We'll get all this out and give it an old tune up on the JB Does It All channel. It's about what I do. 2 easy fixes. Easy. Easy. Stay tuned. Let me know what you want to see. I could do it all between work and finding time on the weekends for this, or during the week. Y'all let me know what y'all interested in seeing. You want me to do some vlogging style? I can show the curb finds I pick up when I snatch them off the curb before Friday, trash day. So usually Thursdays when I ride around looking, see what goodies I can find in the trash. I don't know exactly how or when I'm going to tune in, post these videos, keep y'all up with some good content, but just hang in there. It's only February the 14th. Oh, JB's Quick Flips, we out.